Okay, I'm standing here in the grid with Monique. And hi, Monique. And you are handing out balloons. Why?
Well, it's new to me too, handing out balloons, but I like it a lot. We are showing our appreciation for the work of the teams that they're doing and whether they're doing well. If they're doing well, we're going to give them a balloon. We can give them up to 5 balloons, so that means they're doing really, really well. But we have today, the rest of the day, to hand out balloons and show them and support them in their work.
Okay, in the whole grid or in a particular track?
Oh yes, I'm a track supporter of the health track from the University Medical Center of Groningen. So we are rewarding especially the health track teams.
Okay, and have you rewarded any teams yet?
Yes, definitely we did. There was lots of fun and they reacted very well to it, and it really helps them to get motivated to do more.
And what are the criteria? For instance, the team behind us, they have a very high balloon. I don't know if that means something special.
Well, the height doesn't mean anything. They just decided to put it up there. The criteria for handing out the balloons is that obviously together with the track accelerators and with the Jedi, we have done some kind of roast and looked at the different teams on how well they are solving the problems, the quest we have entered, and how far they are exceeding our expectations on this as well. Sometimes the scalability comes in. Well, you can guess different perspectives why people will get a balloon.
So it's kind of an intermediate reward.
Yes, exactly.
And for the teams that don't get a balloon, an extra incentive to push harder.
Yes, but next to balloons, we also have kudos stickers. Yeah, it's a whole new world, a whole new system. So we are also handing out kudos stickers to help them as well, to point out what they're doing very well and what we would like to see more, for them to also get rewarded with balloons.
Okay, well, maybe we get to the stickers later. I don't see any stickers yet, but maybe I'm not looking.
They're on the canvases, or they should be at least.
Okay, so that refers to a particular element of the canvas. You do
Yes.
this thing very good.
Yep.
Okay, well, thank you, Monique.
Thank you. Have a good day.